Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to another vocabulary lesson. Today's word is slam. Slam is one syllable word. Here S, L and M are consonant letters, whereas A is a vowel letter. Its sound is short. Here, the word slam is used as a verb as well as a noun. Meanings: slam means to hit, shut, put something down with great force, often making a loud noise. Slam also mean to criticize someone or something very strongly. Examples: first example is she slammed the book on the table. It means she put the book down with force. Second example, the car slammed into the wall. It means car hit something with great force. Third example, he slammed the door in anger. Here it means he shut the door in anger. Forms of slam: present, past, past participle and present participle are its forms. Slam is present form, whereas slammed is past and past participle form, and slamming is present participle form. The words related to slam are bang, crash, smash, hit, strike, thump. Thank you for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.